What's going on, guys? It's your homegirl Shannon here with another crypto video, and I have a little sneaky surprise for you guys. So today's video, I'm going to give you an update of what's going on with my crypto portfolio that I showed you guys last week, and today I am going to do something sneaky. Sneaky, I don't want to use the word sneaky. I'm going to do something to kind of make this a bit more interesting. I don't want these videos to be boring. I just don't want people to just check out the movement of the crypto portfolio that I have. I wanted to make it a little bit more interesting and compare crypto to stock. So look at my crypto portfolio today. It is valued at $984.98. I'm gonna have to take a picture of that because I am tracking this to a T, and I am just willing to bet that this crypto portfolio is more than likely going to perform better than my stock portfolio, which I'll show you in a second. So again, I haven't made any new purchases yet. I'm still kind of letting things go. The market was kind of fussy. Things were going up and down. Right now, the market is in the green, with the exception of Binance going down 1%. So far, the top 10 cryptocurrencies, with the exception of Tether, is still looking good. Still not bad. I did invest $1,000, but of course the fees dropped it down to I think it was 965, which is the first video I made. So this is the portfolio, but I wanted to show you guys something interesting. Link will be in the description. This is my M1 Finance portfolio. Exciting, exciting, exciting. I was a big stock investor. I used to invest heavily in stock and stock options, and I took a long break from it to focus on cryptocurrency. Now, what I'm doing is utilizing this portfolio to kind of go against the crypto portfolio. It's kind of like a competition. As you can see here, I have $350 pending, which will bring this account up to $450. And I shared my portfolio with you guys. The link is in the description. You'll basically get to know what this is. You already see it here when I hover over it. I see it here. What I like about M1 Financial, so real quick. Cryptocurrencies, you can buy, these are the token prices, right? You can't buy a fraction of it yet. There's one company called Abra, you can, but nobody has ever, with the exception of, I want to say, share something. There was a company that allowed you to invest in fractional pieces of a stock, and share builder, something like that. But now M1 is kind of competing against Robinhood, because Robinhood is a great platform, but you can only buy whole stocks. And with M1 Financial, you can invest in a portion of the stock. So really quick, I just want to show you what this looks like because I didn't even look at this. So here's my slice of the pie, right? This slice of a pie, if you wanted to invest in the same slice that I'm investing in, the link is in the description. As soon as you sign up, you'll be able to purchase the entire slice of this pie. So I got 20% going into Amazon because I think Amazon is going to be $10,000 in 6 years. Then these are some famous ETF funds that I used to invest in the past. When I was younger, my portfolio was a lot more aggressive. Now I'm trying to be a little bit more conservative since I'm up there, getting up there in age. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this section. So 20% in each of these portfolios. So basically, let me give you a rundown. If you look at this here, the pending buy, this $350 is going to be divided by 5, and that will get me 20% of Amazon, 20% of this, 20% of that, and so forth and so on. So not enough data to display. I just signed up with this account. I saw Robinhood online was doing really well. I had a Robinhood account. I still have it. I just don't use it. it wasn't interesting enough for me, and then it wasn't something as easy as M1 Finance to actually be able to have people replicate exactly what I'm doing so that they can have some investing success. Okay, so here's the activity. I transferred $100, then I don't know why that says 349.95. It should have been 350. As you can see, the 350s here. Here's my holdings. There will be more um, holdings, so the cost basis will increase over time. As I make these videos, you'll see this increase up to like once the 350 is added to the 100, it'll be 450 total with the portfolio will be valued at. So this is my current value of the portfolio. I lost 1 cent in two of these funds, 4 cents and 5 cents, but with Amazon kind of brings me back to the $100 that I initially invested. Uh, One thing I like about M1, let me go to research. Uh, Here it is. Here it is. So M1 has, this is the market news, right? So this basically just shows you what's been going on in the market. And then you have stocks, and you can research the stocks. You could actually look at these stocks and then add them to your portfolio. But you got, oh yeah, I want to show you funds. You got your ETFs that you can look at and you can analyze based on being moderately aggressive, and then just buck wild is what I will call it. And my pies and expert pies. This is my favorite, expert pies. Check this out. So you got your general investing, plan for retirement, responsible investing, just stocks and bonds, hedge fund followers, and income earners. I think I found, let's look at this one. Yeah, so this is the pie hedge fund follower. So Berkshire Hathaway, of course, everyone knows who he is. You could pretty much mimic what he's doing and create your portfolio. So this will be considered a pie, right? And let me just click on it, show you. So this is Berkshire Hathaway's pie. This is, let me scroll down. I don't want to add it to my portfolio because I want my own portfolio. Oh, here it is. Apple, you got Apple, Bank of America, Coca-Cola, Wells Fargo, American Express. So these are all the stocks that he believes in. And then here's the breakdown of the percentages of Berkshire Hathaway's portfolio. Pretty cool. Not, he's super. I don't know if he's conservative. This seems conservative to me. So I'm just gonna stay away from that. I like the portfolio that I picked. So I'm just gonna stick with mine. How are returns calculated? That's just something different. So let me get out of there. So that's one thing I like. If you didn't know, if you're jumping into the market and you had no idea what the hell you were doing and you wanted to kind of mirror somebody's, you can look at all the other hedge fund followers, right? And then you can go to income earners and you can pick things based on the risk. Hover over risk. So here's a risk level: low, medium. See, I said buck wild. Medium, low, medium, medium, high, and then high. And S&P 500 is 12.10% volatility. So you can pick your top earners portfolio based on the dividend yield, based on the holdings. Some of them only hold 3. Let's click on one so you can see. I want to go to medium. Let's go to domestic dividend. So here's the breakdown of this one. Nice little trend line going upward. That's always nice. So this pie has 3 ETFs. 83% is in Vanguard dividend appreciation. So all of these are dividend ETFs. So basically what you're doing is building income. You're building side income by investing into this portfolio. So this is probably something that I would like maybe later on down the line. But I want to kind of see how the portfolio I have is going to do before I actually change it. So this is one of the best features, with the exception of the fact that you can split a stock. Let's go back to stock. So you can, let's go to Amazon and see how much Amazon is. So Amazon right now is $1,887. Not everybody has enough money to go ahead and say, you know what, I'm going to go buy 50 shares of Amazon because I don't have anything to do. My money's just sitting there. Let me just blow this money. Not blow it, but let me invest this money. Since a lot of people or a lot of investors don't have the money to invest in one share of Amazon, M1 Finance has actually allowed you to have a piece of it until you build up to buying a whole share. So like you could set this up where you can invest, and if you have dividend stocks, the dividends that you would get every quarter will be reinvested into the current stocks or ETF funds you hold in your portfolio, and you'll be able to buy more. Like over time, if I only invested $100 a month, which would be $1,200 a year, that's not going to get me one whole Amazon stock. Share, but it's going to get me a nice portion of it. However, if you invest a little bit more, and maybe if I'm investing $500 a month or something like that, then I'll be able to get a few shares of Amazon by the end of the year. So that's what I like about this. It leaves it open for any small investor to come in and spend $100, just kind of get their feet wet. $100, $200, $500, whatever you have to invest, and you could buy anything you want. So look at this. There's 4,155 total stocks, so you can look up anything. Here's one stock that I invested in back in the day, Caterpillar. I made $900 off of Caterpillar in one day, and it was actually 54 50 I want to say 54 or $64. But I used to really rock it. I was a day trader for all about 9 months. And then I went back to work. But you know, wishful thinking, right, guys? Who doesn't want to dream? I would still love to be a day trader, but that's not in my plan right now. But guys, M1 Finance, it's, in my opinion, it's pretty dope. Ooh, I want to buy Alibaba. Alibaba is like the Asian Amazon. So there's so much you can look at and buy in this system. In this portal. I actually love it. I'm loving the app. I can't even stop looking at it. So look, basically, this is the web version that you're looking at. There is a mobile app for iOS and Android users. So download that after you sign up. But you have to sign up using the link in the description. Pretty please, with a cherry on top. It is an affiliate link, but guess what, guys? You get $10 and I get $10. So I think it's a pretty good deal. What you think? It's free. So yeah, this is what's going on with the cryptocurrency portfolio, and this is what's going on with my new portfolio. I will show you guys how this goes. Basically what I'm doing, I want to see if the stock portfolio outdoes the cryptocurrency portfolio, or if the cryptocurrency portfolio outperforms the stock portfolio. I'm excited about this. Maybe if I find one other investment tool that's legit, I'll go ahead and do it, but for now I'm just going to keep these two. I'm going to run this balance up till I get to $1,000, like the $1,000 I created here. So to basically turn into 1,000 plus 1,000, what account is going to outperform each other? What's going to do better, the cryptocurrency market or the stock market? We will see. So let's keep our fingers crossed. This is all at my own expense, using my own money. So I think it's good to kind of be entertained by something like this. It's, a lot of people debate. People who are in the stock market say, oh, cryptocurrency is too risky, too volatile, you lose your money. And then people in the stock market say, and vice versa. You guys know what I mean. So check out the link in the description for M1 Finance. Sign up with a free account, fund your account, and pick a portfolio. And then let me know what portfolio you picked and why, because I'm curious to find out. You already got my portfolio. I picked one stock and 4 ETFs, and again, this might change over time, but I'll keep you guys posted about what I do. I'll do a video about each one to kind of give you an idea of what's going on. All right, that's gonna about do it for this video, guys. Stay posted, stick with me throughout this journey, and comment and subscribe. Peace out.